Today we are going to go check out the Captain's Club Elite Member Coffee Lounge for breakfast. We did it one other morning and it was pretty good. They have real coffee there. So let's go. Right? All the way in the back is Tuscan Grill. That is. Is that gonna be too sunny for you?
No.
Here's the food. Here's Jim.
Okay.
Here's the food. Here's the coffee. We decided we're gonna have the ultimate platter for two again. Yum, 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 because it has a little bit of everything. Early. Say good morning, world.
Good morning.
Last sea day.
Then we turn around.
And go again. Yep. Cappuccino. The ultimate platter, which doesn't look very ultimate. He's gonna get another bagel instead of 2 croissants. Or you want a croissant? Anything you want, baby.
I know. I'll eat a bagel.
Okay.
I got the espresso macchiato.
Espresso macchiato. Got some cappuccino. Got some fruit. Got some lemon. Some oddly colored meat. And that's the view. Bye, world. Waiting for my coffee.